Hi everyone, welcome to Magdalena Kognetx. You're going to move with intention, build strength that listens, not just reacts. All you'll need is a single kettlebell and a few feet of space. Focus on your breath, your balance, and the awareness behind each rep. Let's begin. So half kneeling press on the right. Brace your core, squeeze that back glute, and just keep your ribs stacked over your hips. Press straight up and control the return. Don't let that weight pull you off center. Now we're going to switch sides, the same setup, keep that tall posture, glute tight, and your core engaged. Drive through the floor, reach through the ceiling, think smooth press and strong foundation. So you're going to snap the bell up close to your body, catch it softly at the shoulder, then step back with control, power in the clean, and then stability in the lunge.
I can taste your words. I can taste your I can taste your words. I can taste
Other side, keep that bell path tight, your elbows in close, land the clean, and then sink into your lunge with balance. Feel the transfer from explosive to grounded, and stay strong and steady. Now we're going to slow things down. Pull your back, not your arm, squeeze the shoulder blade, control every inch down, and really feel that tension build. This is your full body flow. You're gonna swing, squat, press, let each movement roll into the next, really drive through your hips, sink deep, and press tall. Keep your breath steady. That's where the power meets control.
What's your story? What's your sign? It's like we're twin flames in a different life. Deep connection lights a spark. It's like you know me in the depths of my heart. We're dreamers. Don't care what other people say. We live it like this could be our final day. We're dreamers. Don't care what the others say. We're doing this in our way. We come alive in the nighttime. It's something about how we dance.
So we're gonna do this last one for the first round. You're gonna alternate snatches. You're gonna snap through your hips, guide the bell up smooth, and then catch with control. Really breathe here, stay sharp, and just finish with intent. This is your power finisher.
We come alive. We come alive. What's your weakness? What's your type? Somehow I wanna know all about you. Deep connection lights a spark. Like you already know me when we dance in the dark. We're dreamers. Forget what other people say. We're living like this could be our final day. We're dreamers. Forget what the others say. We're doing this in our way. We come.
All right, so now take a breather before we begin the second round. We're gonna bring it down just for a quick reset. You're gonna start in tabletop and just move through your cat-cow. Inhale, open the chest, exhale, and round your spine. Just really reconnect to your breath. Now thread the needle into a gentle thoracic twist. Reach through, then rotate open. Really let your upper back release any tension from that last round. We're going to finish with a kneeling chest opener. Your hands are behind you. Lift through the heart and open those shoulders. Breathe in deeply and exhale fully. This is your recharge, so shake off the fatigue, just reset your focus, and let's get ready to crush one more round.
I see something, it's coming up on the horizon. Oh, let me clear my head and get rid of the distractions. Oh, I was down when I saw you in the clouds. Out of days, filled with doubt. I was drifting in and out, levitate, fade away. I had left full time and space, but you just caught my eye. Hey, nah, please won't you come over? Let me get to know ya. Hey, nah, delve into emotion.
Okay, so remember to lock in your core, squeeze that back glute, and just press tall through the ceiling. Really feel that control. This is about you owning your movement and not rushing it. Same focus, same strength on the other side. Stack your ribs, drive from the ground up, and press with purpose. Each rep, just remind yourself stability is strength.
To emotion, leave us in this moment.
Catch the bell smoothly, step back with control, explode up, and then move with intention. You've got this. That power and balance is working together.
Times before we look at the same old stars, battle the same old wars, like so many times before. And I know that we're not perfect, but I'm gonna miss all that we had. Yeah, I know that we're not perfect, but I need this night for the last time. Stay, stay. No, you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay if you stay. Stay. No, you're gone in the...
Okay, let's switch it up to the other side. Keep that bell close, those elbows tight, breathe through the motion, clean strong, lunge steady. This is really where the coordination and focus pays off.
No, you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay. We were never meant to last, but all the fun times we had, I'll never forget. We will always share a bond, no matter what, 'cause you have a piece of my heart. And I know that we're not perfect, but I'm gonna miss all that we had. Yeah, I know that we're not perfect, but I need this night for the last time. Stay.
All right, for your row, remember 3 seconds down, 1 second up, control the descent, feel the muscles work. Strength isn't just how heavy you lift, it's how well you own the tempo, so stay locked in. Full body flow coming up. You got your swing, your squat, your press. This is your powerhouse combo where you're gonna keep it smooth, keep it strong. You've built the control now, so bring the energy. Let's go.
I'm a spin, I'm a baller, take a deep breath. I'm a shark, you 7 days a week, I'll be up all night, day and night, day and night. I'm a spin, I'm a baller, take a deep breath. I'm a shark, you 7 days a week, I'll be up all night, day and night, day and night.
My life's dope, I wear fancy clothes, I'm a hella woke, I got hella flow. As I learn to dope, I'ma bring the show. Anywhere I go, living life to the maximum. All day and night, all day and night, all day and night. Living life to the maximum. All day and night, all day and night.
Your final push now, your alternating snatches. Drive through those hips, pull with confidence, and catch with control. This is your finisher, so stay sharp, stay explosive, and just leave it all here.
Let me live my life of bliss in the fast lane. I'ma be on top of the world, watch it happen.
I'm a best man, I'm a baller, take a deep breath. I'm a shark, you 7 days a week, I'll be up all night, day and night, day and night.
All day and night, all day and night, all day and night.
Living life to the maximum.
All day and night, all day and night, all day and night.
I'll be up all night. Living life to the maximum.
Put it up on my tab, listen up, here I am. Money talks, I got fans, spend it hard, spend it fast. What you need, I got cash, make a wish, I'll make plans. I'm a pig in a stew.